Hey there, how are you doing? Team Nokia Powers are here and we welcome you all to a very interesting video. As you can see, I have a Nokia One Android Oreo Go smartphone in my hand. So as you can see, it's clearly mentioned here that Nokia One runs Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition. So this is the first Android Oreo Go smartphone that has a Nokia brand name with it. So it's very interesting in the way that it just comes with a 1 GB RAM, and with that 1 GB RAM it has to really do all the things, all the tasks that a smartphone does. So with Android Oreo Go, Google has launched many special edition of apps which are tailored for Android Oreo Go. So they are like less memory consuming, less power consuming. So in theory, Nokia One should behave properly, should work fast, etc. But that we need to see. So in this video, not only we will do the unboxing of Nokia One, as you know, but we will also share our first impressions of the Nokia One in terms of performance. But it will be very brief, because obviously we share usually a big, the videos, standalone individual videos of the performance. So going to the unboxing part first. So you can quickly check the major specs. So 4.5 inch display, then 1 GB RAM, 8 GB storage. The storage is expandable with micro SD card. It has 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, 2 megapixel front camera. Then there is something called exchangeable covers, which are express on covers, a brand which HMD has revived. And you can buy the exchangeable covers to give your device a new look. So let's now quickly unbox and see how it feels like. So this is the standard package in which Nokia One comes. So let us quickly do the unboxing. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so here is your phone, and it feels very light without the battery. Okay, here is the battery. Then you have the standard stuff, the booklets. And then you have the USB charger with USB cord, so that you can actually use it as both a charger and as well as to connect to a PC. And then you have the headphones, so pretty standard stuff. So this is how it looks like after the unboxing. Sorry. Okay, so this is after the unboxing. Now let's go to the device. As you can see, Nokia One is a bit unique as compared to other devices. It is more like Nokia 2, the earlier cheapest Nokia Android smartphone. It replaces Nokia 2 in being the cheapest Nokia Android smartphone in the range. But it comes with Android Oreo Go, while Nokia 2 comes with standard Android. You have the Nokia logo here. Then you can see the camera, rear camera, which is 5 megapixel camera with flash. Then you can see this volume rocker as well as the power button, which have like different color coating than the back. The speaker, then the USB slot here, the 3.5 mm headphone jack for the headphone. Here you have see the front camera. Okay. Now one thing which is quite interesting about Nokia One is it's very pocketable, very easy to hold in hand, and it feels quite good because of its back, which is matte coated. I don't think it's matte coated, it's a polycarbonate. So obviously the coating maybe like it's a powder coating or something, or maybe the polycarbonate has been made it like that, so that it gives you a very good feeling when you hold it in hand. Very steady actually. Now one interesting thing is that unlike many other Nokia Android smartphone, it has a removable battery. As you can see, the battery is there, so you can just remove. And as I was talking about the exchangeable cover, so you can change this cover. You can buy a cover with a different color, different look, and give your device a different look. So this is kind of matte black. You can buy a color of a different you can buy a cover of a different color, like let's say blue, yellow, whatever, and your device will look all the way new, different. So that is the beauty of exchangeable covers. Anyway, now coming to the impressions part, let's quickly plonk the battery in and power it on. So as we said, we will keep it brief because we always do a performance review kind of stuff. So performance review videos are usually long and we do it separately, so we will do that later, but just to give you a sense of feeling of how it behaves, because as I said, this is the first Android Oreo Go smartphone from Nokia. That Nokia tune, and I like it. Okay, so let's go to English, India. Let's connect it to the Wi-Fi quickly. And it's connected to the Wi-Fi. And as Nokia HMD is very well known for providing very much timely updates, so it's checking for updates, and it has got one update, so let's quickly see. So far you can see the device is responding very well. We have not been able to reach to the home screen yet, but in the meantime, as HMD is well known for, Nokia One already receives an update while you are setting it up. I mean, that is wonderful, if you ask me. Okay, seems the battery is too low, so we will do something else. We can skip it. Let's give it a name. And we are on the home screen, and as we promised you, so we will quickly see how differently how it behaves. So let's open the Play Store. So battery saver is on. We will switch it off. So it asks to see, anyways, we can do one thing more. We can go for the Chrome. Let's type something here. And it is behaving really well, quite fast. It's surprisingly quite fast, actually, as you can notice yourself. Oh, good. I'm impressed. Let's send it to the background. Let's open the camera. Let's send the camera to the background too. Now let's see how the multitasking behaves. So as I said, it's a quick test, and as you can see, it has resumed fast. So you can see this is called YouTube Go. So this is not the simple YouTube app. It's YouTube Go app. So Google has created Go Edition apps, all the Go Edition apps for all the services. So that is something which makes even the devices like which are running Android Oreo Go very fast. So far in our hands-on, you can easily see that Nokia one behaves quite well. All the apps open really fast. They are quick. But as we can quickly notice or understand, even the settings, you can see settings quickly opened. So it's impressive to see that a 1 GB RAM device can behave so well. But as we can understand, so this you can see